Our next topic is contraceptives. What is the meaning of contraceptives? Devices which prevent pregnancy. Those devices which are used to prevent pregnancy or fertilization or coitus are called contraceptive devices. What are the ideal contraceptives? Ideal contraceptives are they are easily available. Second is no or less side effect. Easy to use. And the next one is reversible. Means if those partners want to change and these barriers are just to be used to stop contraceptive or the gap between two children. Here when this device removed here, then they want to be a newborn baby, so that's why they are reversible here. Next one is first there are some methods. First is natural barriers or natural method. First, periodic abstinence means, as we have discussed in menstrual cycle, there is a ovulation occur on 14th day and it remain inside the fallopian tube for 2 days. If coitus interrupted or a coitus stopped in these days, then a fertilization never be occur here. So there is a gap period between 10 to 17 days to prevent pregnancy. Second, withdrawal method or coitus interruptus means semen eject outside the female body. Semen eject outside the female body to prevent fertilization. And the third one, natural barrier, is lactational amenorrhea. Lactation amenorrhea means after parturition or during lactation period, menstrual cycle stopped. So when menstrual cycle stop, there is no ovulation here. When there is no ovulation here, there is no fertilization occur. It's a natural method. Second is barriers. Barriers. Barriers में first of all, condom. It's made up of rubber, latex. It is used for both male and female hair. Only condom is a barrier which prevent STDs. Only condom is the device here or a barrier which prevent STDs. Cervical cap or diaphragm. It is used only for females here. Third one is intrauterine devices. They are all known as IUDs, intrauterine devices here. In an intrauterine device, there are of many kind of devices used here. For example, first, non-medicated IUDs. Non-medicated IUDs means they are not to be used as a hormonal or a medical purposes. It is just to be like that. Example, Lipper lobes. It just prevent fallopian tube here and prevent the meeting between sperm and egg. When the couple want to be a newborn baby or for the further planning, they just remove this device. Second, medicated or copper releasing IUDs. Copper releasing IUDs means which release copper here. Example, copper T, copper 7, multilord 375. Copper releasing IUD is used because copper reduce sperm mortality, means they reduce sperm mortality, and when sperm make more time to reach toward egg, then they never be fertile because they exhaust their whole energy in the uterus portion also. Third is hormonal releasing IUDs. Here the example is LNG20. They are used here. LNG20 means these hormones unfit for fertilization. Unfit for fertilization. Then what we have to do in this? Contraceptive are the devices which prevent pregnancy here. There are contraceptive devices are idle, easily available, no, not less side effect, because as we have know that there are some hormones or drugs which use, they have some kind of side effect because there is a hormonal change here. Easy to use here, reversible in nature. Second thing, there are some barriers or a type of contraceptive here. First of all, natural method, periodic abstinence. During this period, we know that the egg released on a 14 day after menstrual cycle during menstruation, and at 2 day it live in a fallopian tube. When the coitus is prevented in between 10 to 17 days, then it also prevent the pregnancy period here. Withdrawal method or coitus interrupter. Withdrawal method is that when semen is ejected outside the female body during coitus to prevent the pregnancy or fertilization here. Lactational period is a period after parturition when mother breast start to produce milk. In this period when coitus occur, then there is no fertilization here because lactation is due to progesterone hormone or lactogen hormone, which reduce or inhibit the formation of FSH by pituitary gland, and there is no ovulation or no egg formation here. Next one is barrier method. First of all, condom. They are made up of rubber latex. They are used for male and a female. Only condom is a barrier which prevent STD, sexually transmitted disease here, because STDs occur due to the mixing of body fluid. So it also prevent the mixing, or it work as a barrier in between two blood, cervical cap or diaphragm, used only for a female here. Intrauterine devices, the first one is natural, second one is barrier, and third one intrauterine devices, IUDs. First is non-mediated IUDs. Example is lip lobes. It's a T shape which just prevent the meeting between egg and sperm. Next is copper releasing IUDs. Copper inhibit the motion or the motility of sperm. That's why it is delaying to reach toward the egg, and it prevent fertilization here. Hormonal releasing IUDs, they unfit uterus for fertilization. Uterus for, there's not a fertilization, there's an implantation here. Unfit for implantation. If implantation not occur, then pregnancy not occurs here. Now the next one is chemical method. In chemical methods, when we have discussed, first of all, spermicidal jellies or spermicidal gels. They are used in cervic or vaginal opening. This jelly kill sperms, and they include mainly lactic acid, acetic acid, or in some KMNO4, potassium permanganate. Next one, hormonal pills. These hormonal pills are mainly progesterone or estrogen, combination. Means we know very well when we discussed our menstrual cycle, then progesterone and progesterone estrogen both are responsible for the stopping of menstrual flow, or we can say that the inhibition of FSH. So here hormonal pills, they can be used here. The popular one which is used, that is Saheli, which is once in a week pill. In a week, it's taken by once by female, which prevent hormonal action or a stoppage of FSH. That's why there is no ovulation here. Next one is fifth one. Surgical method. In surgical method, first of all, for a male, second is for a female. In a male, vasa differentia cut, vas differentia cut and tied up. In a female, fallopian tube cut and tied up. In a male, it is known as vasectomy. Vasa apart from vasa differentia, and in a female it is tubectomy. Tubectomy is taken from the word tube here. Now there are the consequences or resultant of contraceptive or devices of contraceptive here. In our next video we will discuss about amniocentesis.